Online apparel returns are a 30% problem. The single biggest reason. Customers cannot see how a garment moves on a real body before they buy. Static photos do not solve this. Video try-on does. PixelAPI's Video Try-On endpoint takes a garment image and a person video, then produces a new video of that person wearing that garment. No manual masking, no model shoots, no editing pipeline. Let me show you the web flow. I open pixelapi.dev, sign in with my Google account, and land on the dashboard. From the tools list, I pick Video Try-On. The interface accepts two inputs, a garment image and a person video. I upload a hot pink t-shirt as the garment. Then I drop in a short walking video of a person. The endpoint quotes 187 credits per call, roughly 19 cents. I press generate, the job is queued, processed on a GPU worker, and finishes in about 40 to 50 seconds for a 16-frame clip. Here is the output. The original skirt, bag, and sandals are preserved exactly. Only the upper body is repainted with the new pink t-shirt mapped onto the moving body. This is the actual generated video, not a render. Same pipeline, different garment. A gray quilted jacket on the same person video, generated from a single product photo. Now the API. The same endpoint is one post and one pull. I have a Python script open. I set my API key, base64 encode the garment image and the person video, and post to /v1/video try-on. The response gives me a job ID. I then pull /v1/video try-on/job/job ID every few seconds. When status flips to completed, I download the output URL. Running it now, submission returns a job ID immediately. 42 seconds later, completed, I download the result. Where does this matter? Fashion catalog production, where one product photo becomes a moving lookbook without a studio shoot. Influencer try-on hauls, where dozens of outfits are rendered overnight. Wholesale buyers previewing fit before placing orders. And returns reduction by giving shoppers a real sense of drape in motion before they buy. Pricing is 187 credits per video. Free tier on sign-up gives you enough to try it. The endpoint scales with your queue, no contracts, no minimums. That's PixelAPI Video Try-On.